Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made 2 kaftans within 30 minutes using a bathroom shower curtain. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, you're very welcome, and if you have visited before, why not subscribe? And if you subscribed already, why not press that notification bell to notify you anytime I post new videos. So guys, let's get started. I started by laying down the fabric flat on the table with the edge of the shower curtain where the hooks, you normally put the hooks. I started off from that place, and what you're gonna do is make sure you fold the curtain into 2 in a straight line. You're not gonna fold it the same way that you would hang up the shower curtain. Make sure you fold that way. So the curtain is 180 cm by 180 cm, which means the length and the width of the curtain are the same. So I'm working with the same length and the same width, guys, but I've laid it on the table flat, and you can see I started off from where you have the hook, then I folded into 2 lengthwise, then again I folded into half. You know the midpoint of the curtain, if you have it straight on the table, the midpoint was folded as well. So then I cut the fabric into 2. So I'm going to be having the same length and the same width of the same kaftan. Both of them are going to be the same size. So each of the kaftan is going to be 90 cm, and the other one will be 90 cm because it's exactly the same size I'm making. So here, guys, I've folded the fabric again, as you can see, the place on fold and the sleeve area of the kaftan as well. One of the sides have been sewn already, so I'm going to do the same for the other side. That is the side of the kaftan as well as where the sleeve is. So it's 2 in 1, the sleeve and the side all together in the same place. So as you can see, I've been down the other side and it's matching. So both sides are the same measurement now. Next stage is the neck area measurement. Now we're gonna be cutting the neck area, which must be a place on fold. Then the depth of the neck is 3 and the width is 5 inches. So I've got 3 inches by 5 inches neck. It's gonna be a bit not too roundish neck. It's gonna be a bit curvy, like a boat neck kind of. If you want any neck, you can make it a square neck, you can have a round neck, you can make it any neck, sweetheart neck, any neck you want. But with this, I'm making a boat kind of neck. It's not completely round, it's just like a boat neck. So here we have it. So you've got the neck area, and this kaftan is so easy to make. It was made in 30 minutes. 2 kaftans made in 30 minutes. Each one was made within 15 minutes. So here I've got the second kaftan. So I'm going to be sorting the sleeve area out here as well. That other side too has been sewn down already, so I'm going to measure exactly the same here for the other side of the sleeve so it can match. So watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna be measuring the 1 inch all the way down. If you notice that I have not trimmed away any hemline at all, so I'm working with the hemline that came with the curtain, and what I'm doing is just matching it up to make the kaftan. All the edges that came sewn already were used. I did not cut away anything, so I've not lost any fabric at all. Now I'm going to be cutting the neck. So I'm using the same measurement of the 3 inches by 5 inches and the same shape with the first kaftan. I'm going with the same neck. I've gone ahead now to sew down both sides of the 2 kaftans where I folded in for the sleeve area. So now the other side of the sleeve area has been sewn. I'm going to determine where I'm going to be sewing down, this hemline for the side of the kaftan. And what I'm gonna do is measure in 3 inches from the sleeve area. I'm gonna measure in 3 inches. Measures 3 inches in and mark that, and also measure from the shoulder line down there. I'm gonna measure 11 inches, take 11 inches for the sleeve, and from that 11 inches I'm gonna measure another 10 inches, making 21 from the shoulder. So this one is marked according to what I want. If you want to hold the side longer, than that, or you want your sleeve be wider than that, you can add more. But I'm working with 11 for the sleeve and 10 inches from the sleeve area down. So here I'm cutting out a bias for the neck using the piece I cut out initially from the neck. So no wasting of any fabric. So the bias width, as you can see, is 1 inch. That's what I'll be working with. I was able to get 3 pieces out from that, and I connected them together, which formed the entire length of the bias I needed for the neck. So I went ahead and stitched that together and made the neck. So here is the second kaftan, and I did exactly what I've done with the first kaftan. I cut a bias for the neck and I measured out where my sleeve would be, how many inches. For this I use 14 inches, and for the stitches, for the side stitches, I used 8 inches in length. So just watch how I go about this. This type of kaftan allows the seam, stitches to be on the right side of the fabric. All you have to do is to stitch across. Here we have the kaftan, very easy to make in 15 minutes. Even if you have a quick party to attend, you can slay with a nice fabric. You might not want to use a shower curtain, for a party. But look at this, guys, so easy, last minute, and you're all ready and set to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of using a shower curtain to make kaftans. So guys, see you in my next video. Take care, make sure you subscribe and keep well.